Hi, my name is April Tabor. I'm Vice Chair of the Membership and Diversity Committee of the Antitrust Section. Basically, joining the section has helped expand my network tremendously. And from being in the private sector, that turned into great business development opportunities. And being in the government, again, it's really helped with all of the work that I'm doing in the government now. So an example that I would love to give is basically you get a chance at the spring meetings, at the annual meetings, at the different conferences all throughout the year to get a chance to interact with people that are in charge of government agencies, partners at law firms, international law enforcers, people from all walks of life, economists, academics, and even law students, intellectuals, people from every background. There's a certain element to networking in an ABA event that you cannot obtain at a regular networking event where everybody essentially has their guards up. It's very different here in the ABA. It's like a family. And once you're in this family and in this section, everybody really looks out for each other, for each member of the family. When I have wanted to take advantage of an opportunity or participate in a particular project, it's been so easy. All I've needed to do was just open my mouth and tell somebody, I am interested in working on X. And the moment you do that, people are more than willing to give you the opportunities to get involved. I've done everything from moderate panels, organize panels, write articles. I recently contributed to the Consumer Protection Law Development Supplement. And now I've had the benefit of writing the section's diversity plan, helping to write that, and also helping to implement that. Those are all opportunities that were provided to me willingly, and it was so easy to do. But I would just warn you, be careful what you ask for. I have found the section programming to be very valuable, specifically at the Antitrust Spring Meeting, which happens every year in Washington, D.C. There are two programs that they offer every year that every antitrust practitioner or everyone thinking about going into antitrust should take. One is Antitrust Fundamentals, which outlines all of the basics on antitrust and definitely taught me what I know about antitrust now. The other one is Economic Fundamentals. So for those people that don't understand economic analysis and just thinks that essentially the charts and graphs that we see performed or provided by economists are just essentially gobbledygook in Greek, that course will translate it from economics into English. I've had the pleasure in dealing with membership and diversity to actually speak with a number of law students. And they're always asking me, why should I join? Is it really worthwhile for a law student to join? And I always tell them the same thing, which is, look, you need to understand that you're building a network and you need to join the section now while you're a law student. Because if you join the section now and get involved in a committee, you're working with the people that are going to be hiring you out of law school. And they won't just be looking at your resume. They can actually personally vouch for your work ethic and your experience. Because by the time you'll have graduated, if you get involved in the section early enough, they'll have seen your written product. They'll have seen you speak. They'll have heard you moderate a panel. They'll understand whether you are a reliable and knowledgeable person, and they'll be able to vouch for you 100%. So if you're really looking at investing in your career and investing in your future, then as a law student, the section is the perfect place for you to be.
Great.
Joining the section is so easy. Just go to ambar.org/antitrust, click on Become a Member, enter your information, and it's super simple. And if you're a law student, it's only $10. That's 2 Starbucks. You have no excuse.